Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of facial features. And guess what? We are focusing on the nose. First thing first, grab your pencil. No fancy equipment needed here. Now, time to sketch the side of the nose. Let's draw a little circle for nose tip. It's like a tennis snowball, sitting right there on the face. Drawing noses, remember that they come in all shapes and sizes. For third for side view, draw circle according to the diagonal line. After basic shapes, let's give it some flair with shading. Use a charcoal pencil, merge with round brush. Use the side of your pencil to add some shadows under the nose. Draw a shadow with the help of brush. Merging is very important procedure. I used a blending stamp for shading. Build up shading to add depth and dimensions. Add some darkness, lightness to make nose look more realistic. Draw a shadow with the help of brush. Use a eraser tool to highlight the area. Add shadow around the nostril. Every nose is unique. No two noses are exactly the same. When drawing noses, remember that they come in all shapes and sizes. Experiment with different type of noses in your sketch. In this step, focus on defining the tip of nose with the gentle curves, paying attention to its shapes and symmetry. Build up shading to add depth and dimensions. Add some darkness, lightness to make nose look more realistic. I used a blending stamp for shading. Merging is very important procedure. Add shadow around the nostril. Use your pencil to add some light shading along the sides and under the tip. This is not just a shade, it's like adding spices to a dish. It's make everything better. Add some darkness, lightness to make nose look more realistic. Use the side of your pencil to add some shadows under the nose. Draw a shadow with the help of brush. Merging is very important procedure. Thank you so much for drawing along with me today. If you enjoyed this nose adventure, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and comment. Drop your questions or your drawings in the comment below. Thank you so much.